Hi everyone! Nice to see you again. For today's Butyl, I have ordered a very affordable and helpful item for our daily lives. If you're a coffee lover, hot water lover, etc., then this is for you. The item was shipped immediately. It was very secured and sealed carefully. It was so premium and classy in person. It looks so expensive. And it is very easy to use. It can also hold 1.7 liters of water. So it was big. The brand is Konka. It is matte black. Now let's test it out. You'll just have to press this, and it will have a red light indicates that it's on. Now let's wait. After around 15 to 20 seconds, it's so hot. Boiling hot. What are you waiting for? Check the yellow basket or comment section to order.